Hello everyone, Energetica India is here at the RenewX Expo 2026, Chennai, and today we have with us Mr. Abhishek Kaushal, CBO, INA Solar. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good too sir. So sir, starting with the interview, my first question is what products and innovations are you showcasing at the expo this year?
So, INA Solar is a highly advanced module manufacturer. We have an operational capacity of 5.5 gigawatt. Today, we are in the RenewX Expo. We are exhibiting our monoperk modules, which is having a range up to 550 watt peak. We have M10R TopCon modules as well as N-type G12R modules, which is up to 635 watt peak. So we are also into DCR as well as non-DCR modules. So we are here to meet all our stakeholders, all our customers, and looking forward for a wonderful show.
So sir, what are your plans regarding backward integration, and are there any new technologies that you are currently exploring?
So basically we are working on increasing our module production capacity as well. Right now we have a 5.5 gigawatt operational capacity. We are also thinking how we can take it to the next level, maybe around 7 gigawatt. But at the same time, on the backward integration, we have already started working on a fast-paced manner on our cell production line, which will be coming up in MP Narmadapuram, and this will be a 4.5 gigawatt G12R TopCon cell line. As at the same time, we are also working on a aluminium extrusion plant, which will be of 18,000 metric ton per annum capacity. This will meet all our in-house requirement for the module frames. At the same time, the government of India is really working very aggressively on ALWM, which is wafer, which will be for wafers also. And as a matter of fact, we are also looking into expansion into backward integration from cell to wafer and ingots. So that's also the plan that we have.
There is a big demand-supply gap between cells and module production in India. So how is the company tackling that, and what are your plans regarding that?
Yeah, so if you see, it's a very bold step taken by Indian government by coming up with the ALCM guidelines and mandating use of Indian-made cells. So ALCM is a good and bold step, but looking into that as a regulatory measure and also as a proactive step, we have started working on our cell line, which will be ready within this year itself. And at the same time, we are also going into further backward integration. As I said, we will be working on ALWM as well. So going forward, we will be increasing our footprint in the backward integration, not only with cells but also aluminium extrusion plant and also wafer and ingots going forward.
So sir, ending my questions, my last question is, how has the recent geopolitical situations impacted the industry as a whole, and in any manner it is impacting your operations as well?
To be really honest, the current geopolitical situation is hampering a bit because the cost of glass, because gas is a major source that has impacted the supply of gases. The freight charges have increased, the USD has increased. So there's a lot of ambiguity and volatility in across the domain for the raw material prices, leading to slight slowness in the market in terms of decision making. And with this, because this fluctuation is actually people are not able to make the decision whether they need to close the order immediately, they need to wait and things like that. So yes, there's an impact, but I see things to be streamlining gradually, and hope the conclusion will be positive for everyone.
So I think that answers all my questions. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Energetica team. Thanks for this opportunity.